Okay, I'm going to do a video review of the Mainstays 26-inch table. Um, there's only one other review on YouTube as far as I know, um, and that guy goes over all of the mechanics of the table, but I'm just going to talk a little bit about the fact that if you're looking for a nice little table to set your laptop on, or uh, you know, something to use on your deck. This is a pretty good table. You can get it at Walmart for like 20 bucks, and easy to fold up, easy to store, easy to set up, very portable, very light, and I like using it on my deck. And there's enough space on the table, as you can see, to stick your mouse pad, stick your mouse. You can also even keep a couple of books or notebooks on there. You can even use it as a writing table. So it's just the right height actually when you're sitting. So if you're looking for a good table to use, portable, that's not extremely expensive, very durable, very clean lines, this might be worth checking out. It's a Mainstays 26-inch folding table. There's another video online. Some guy goes through the mechanics and how it opens up and folds. I'm not going to go through all of that. I'm just going to sort of show you how it looks with my laptop on there. And like right now I'm sitting on my deck, and perfect. So you can use it inside, outside, take it with you. It would probably be perfect for a college kid looking for something to use in his dorm room where he might not have a lot of space. So you can pick one of these up at Walmart for like, 20 bucks. Good deal.